The coconut tree, Cocos nucifera, is a member of the palm tree family, Ericaceae, and the only living species of the genus Cocos. The term coconut, or the archaic coconut, can refer to the whole coconut palm, the seed, or the fruit, which botanically is a drupe, not a nut. Originally native to central Indo-Pacific, they are now ubiquitous in coastal tropical regions and are a cultural icon of the tropics. The coconut tree provides food, fuel, cosmetics, folk medicine, and building materials, among many other uses. The inner flesh of the mature seed, as well as the coconut milk extracted from it, forms a regular part of the diets of many people in the tropics and subtropics. Coconuts are distinct from other fruits because their endosperm contains a large quantity of an almost clear liquid called coconut water or coconut juice. Mature, ripe coconuts can be used as edible seeds or processed for oil and plant milk from the flesh, charcoal from the hard shell, and coir from the fibrous husk. Dry coconut flesh is called copra, and the oil and milk derived from it are commonly used in cooking, frying in particular, as well as in soaps and cosmetics. Sweet coconut sap can be made into drinks or fermented into palm wine or coconut vinegar. The hard shells, fibrous husks, and long pinnate leaves can be used as material to make a variety of products for furnishing and decoration. The coconut has cultural and religious significance in certain societies, particularly in the Austronesian cultures of the Western Pacific, where it is featured in their mythologies, songs, and oral traditions. The fall of its mature fruit has led to a preoccupation with death by coconut. It also had ceremonial importance in pre-colonial animistic religions. It has also acquired religious significance in South Asian cultures, where it is used in rituals of Hinduism. It forms the basis of wedding and worship rituals in Hinduism. It also plays a central role in the coconut religion founded in 1963 in Vietnam. Coconuts were first domesticated by the Austronesian peoples in island Southeast Asia and were spread during the Neolithic via their seaborne migrations as far east as the Pacific Islands and as far west as Madagascar and the Comoros. They played a critical role in the long sea voyages of Austronesians by providing a portable source of food and water, as well as providing building materials for Austronesian outrigger boats. Coconuts were later spread in historic times along the coasts of the Indian and Atlantic Oceans by South Asian, Arab, and European sailors. Based on these separate introductions, coconut populations can still be divided into Pacific coconuts and Indo-Atlantic coconuts, respectively. Coconuts were introduced by Europeans to the Americas during the colonial era in the Columbian Exchange, but there is evidence of a possible pre-Columbian introduction of Pacific coconuts to Panama by Austronesian sailors. The evolutionary origin of the coconut is under dispute, with theories stating that it may have evolved in Asia, South America, or Pacific Islands. Trees can grow up to 30 meters tall and can yield up to 75 fruits per year, though fewer than 30 is more typical. Plants are intolerant to cold and prefer copious precipitation and full sunlight. Many insect pests and diseases affect the species and are a nuisance for commercial production. In 2022, about 73% of the world's supply of coconuts was produced by Indonesia, India, and the Philippines.
Cocos nucifera is a large palm growing up to 30 meters, 100 feet tall, with pinnate leaves 4 to 6 meters, 13 to 20 feet long, and pinnae 60 to 90 centimeters, 2 to 3 feet long. Old leaves break away cleanly, leaving the trunk smooth. On fertile soil, a tall coconut palm tree can yield up to 75 fruits per year, but more often yields less than 30. Given proper care and growing conditions, coconut palms produce their first fruit in 6 to 10 years, taking 15 to 20 years to reach peak production.